Meaning of docilely.
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 Docilely. The word docilely means to behave in a submissive and obedient manner, often without protest or resistance. It is commonly used to describe someone who is compliant, easy to manage, and willing to follow instructions without question. When someone behaves docilely, they may seem passive or unassertive, but they are typically responsive to authority figures and seek to avoid confrontation or conflict. This can be both positive and negative, depending on the situation, as being too docile can lead to exploitation or abuse, while being appropriately docile can foster cooperation and harmony.